Softness can be a kind of courage. Today, we're starting a journey into the world of floriography with dahlias from my garden. Watch me create photographs of these stunning flowers while we talk about inner strength and how connecting with nature can help you find joy in challenging times. In the language of flowers, dahlias can represent many things: eternal love, kindness, and inner strength. Bold and layered, dahlias remind us that beauty can be both soft and strong. They bloom like a declaration: I'm still here, still beautiful, even after the storm. We all go through periods of grief. For me, 10 years of infertility and multiple miscarriages made it hard to find the motivation to go through my day-to-day activities. I had always been a person who noticed how blue the sky was, or the perfect shade of pink on a rose. But during that period of my life, it was like walking through a world of gray. What I wanted, more than anything, was to hear from a person who had been there. Someone who fully understood the pain I felt and had come out the other side. What I found instead was my own inner strength. It started small, forcing myself to name 3 things I was grateful for each day. They were usually very basic: the sky, my limbs, my ability to breathe. Gradually, I started adding more detail: the butterfly I saw while sitting in traffic, the smell of salt in the air by the beach, the warmth of the sun on my skin. Surfing helped me feel connected to something greater than my sorrow. Birdwatching gave me little moments of pure delight. Photography helped me focus on beautiful details easily missed when we rushed by. All the while, my inner strength kept getting stronger, pushing me forward. The power of play and creativity is immense. The happiness you see on my face while photographing flowers in a dusty garage is genuine. You are stronger than you think. You also don't have to go through challenges alone. Therapy is an amazing tool I wish I would have sought out sooner. Find what support works best for you. Blooming doesn't have to mean having it all together. It can be opening to the light, one petal at a time.